Hi, I'm Dimitria and I'll be taking over the KO kitchen today to make my wonderful recipe Pasteli, and I hope you love it as much as I love it. One of my mum's good friends, also named Dimitria, she gave me the recipe a long time ago. It is caramelly. The texture is so soft and gooey and hard at the same time, and it's just delicious. Before we get started, 5 fun facts about me. I'm a Pilates instructor and absolutely love helping my people achieve their goals of movement when they come to see me. You can find me at Energize Pilates and come and do one of the classes. I absolutely love traveling with my partner and discovering new places all the time. And Cuba is currently on the list next. All the colour, the cars, the dance, the music. Have to get there. Okay, I'm from Melbourne and my favourite colour is red. Absolutely love colour. I don't do black. Nobody believes me, but I don't own anything black in my wardrobe. I love cooking and I make pasteli at least once a month for family and friends. It's a perfect treat to have throughout the day, anytime really. And so chewy, caramelly, and just that perfect amount of sweetness. I absolutely love the outdoors and camping and just getting off the grid and just immersing myself in nature, and sitting by a fire at night time is just bliss. And now for the pasteli recipe, let's go. And now it starts to thicken as well. So now it's getting heavier. Checking it now. So now, how you know it's ready is it gets a little bit more sort of caramelly colour. So sesame is sort of, you know, a whitey cream colour. And then the sesame, you can sort of see it starts to get a bit more caramel, sort of brown colour. And that's when you know you've just got it. And it gets a little bit thick as well to stir, so it gets a little bit harder and a bit more effort. And then you're ready. Now you have to take it out fairly quick, otherwise, as you can see, the sesame, due to the honey and the sugar, it just starts to stick on the pan and then you'll just waste it. So there's no easy way of taking it out, but you sort of got to hurry up with the process. And I think we've done pretty good here. Okay, so I just want you to get a little bit of water into your hands, and then just so you don't burn yourself, and you just got to tap it, because we want to get it into shape, basically. We want to get a nice rectangle out of it. And again, just reapply, get water on your hands, because it is hot, don't burn yourself. And then we start to tap. Actually get a little bit more out of here because we don't like wastage. I use everything when it comes to cooking or baking. And then it's all about getting into shape and making her look pretty. She's a little bit thick at the moment, so we're just going to try and get her to get a little bit thinner so we can get the most out of it. I might just get a little bit of water in my hands again, and I just assist it to flatten it. So you can either use a wooden spoon like you've seen, or just use the base of your hands. We're nearly there. Just got to take her out a little bit more to get a shape. I promise you it's worth it. It doesn't have to be a perfect square, you just get the best you can. And then we're gonna let it dry for about 5 minutes or so until she gets cold. And then we're gonna cut up into slices. You don't want it to get cold fully, otherwise it's gonna be really hard with a sharp knife to cut, but make sure you got the sharpest knife. It's really good just to get nice clean cuts with the sesame. And now for the fun part, the cutting. So roughly about 10 minutes or so, you're gonna let it dry. Like now when I sort of feel and tap it, it's fairly hard. If it's a bit soft and gooey, then leave it a few more minutes and then test again. But this is certainly now feeling it's not pressing in. So time to cut, here we go. A nice sharp knife, definitely. You need to watch your fingers. And then I sort of do a little diamond shape is how I go with my lines, and I cut. I'll do one more and then I'll cut the other way. And that's just a pattern. You can cut it in squares any way you like. And I'll just do one more for you before it places on that beautiful plate waiting. And you can decorate it all you like. And I think after all that effort, we have to try some. And I hope you love it. Yum, 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 yum. It's good. Well, I hope you make it. Add some sweetness to your life. And as George Michael would say, get funky with it.